How to make money with Amazon KDP, the realistic way in 2025. Want to make passive income with Amazon KDP? You've probably seen videos claiming you can upload hundreds of books and make thousands overnight. But here's the truth. That's not how it works in 2025. If you want to build a real, long-term KDP business, I'm going to walk you through the right way, step by step. Let's get started. What is Amazon KDP and how it works? Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, allows you to self-publish your books in digital, paperback, and even hardcover formats, all without any upfront printing costs. You earn royalties, usually 35%, 70%, when someone buys your book. But in 2025, the market is more competitive than ever, so low-quality, spammy books won't work anymore. Let's focus on quality over quantity to build a real business and long-term success. Step 1. Pick the right type of book. Before you even think about publishing, let's talk about the best types of books to sell in 2025. 1. Low-content books. They still work, but only if done right. Journals, planners, workbooks, activity books, and logbooks make them unique. Add prompts, themed sections, or extra value that makes yours stand out. 2. Medium content books. More effort but more rewarding. Guided self-help books, interactive notebooks, and educational books. Great for evergreen topics, like productivity, mindfulness, or fitness. 3. High-content books, best for long-term success. Non-fiction books that solve real problems, health, finance, business, relationships. Short books work. Aim for 20,000, 40,000 words. People love quick, actionable reads. But in 2025, some specific types of books are still trending and making great money, so let's dig deeper into those. Coloring books. Coloring books for both adults and children are still in demand, but they've evolved. Today, you need to focus on niche markets like mindfulness coloring books, e.g., intricate patterns, mandalas, positive affirmations. Animal-themed coloring books. Seasonal coloring books for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, or Easter. Children's activity and writing books. Activity and educational books for kids are a goldmine. These can range from fun workbooks to activity sheets that help children learn while having fun. Some ideas include tracing and writing books for young children, math or science activity books for older kids, puzzle books with mazes, word searches, and logic games. These types of books are perfect for children because parents are always looking for ways to keep their kids entertained while helping them learn. Step 2. Researching profitable niches. Now that you've got an idea of the type of books you could create, it's time to research profitable niches. How to research a profitable niche. Use Amazon Search, type keywords related to your book idea, and check the Customers Also Bought section for inspiration. Look at Amazon bestsellers and the bestsellers rank, BSR. Books with a BSR under 100,000 are selling consistently, so aim for those. Free and paid tools like Publisher Rocket, BookBolt, and Helium 10 can help you find the best niches with low competition but high demand. Don't copy the bestsellers exactly. Put your own unique spin on them. Stay away from oversaturated niches unless you have something new and different to offer. Step 3. Writing or creating your book. Now that you have your niche and book idea, it's time to create. For low-content and medium-content books, you can easily use Canva or Adobe InDesign to design your pages. Make sure your design is clean, easy to use, and visually appealing. If you're creating a children's activity book, use vibrant colors, large fonts, and illustrations that are both fun and educational. For written books, you can either write the content yourself or hire a ghostwriter to create the manuscript. If you choose to write it yourself, try tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor to help polish your work. Once your manuscript is ready, make sure to format it properly. Tools like Atticus, Vellum, or even MS Word can help you meet KDP's formatting guidelines for paperback and Kindle books. Step 4. Designing an eye-catching cover. Don't underestimate the power of a great cover. People do judge books by their covers. You can either design the cover yourself using Canva or hire a professional designer from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're doing a children's book, make sure the cover is bold, colorful, and visually appealing to both kids and parents. If it's a mindfulness or adult coloring book, go for a more sophisticated and calming design. Tip: look at the bestsellers in your niche for inspiration. What kinds of covers are working for them? Make sure your cover fits the genre and stands out. Step 5. Publishing on Amazon KDP. Once your book is designed and ready, let's upload it to Amazon KDP. Go to your KDP account and click on Create a New Title. Fill in your title, subtitle, and book description. When writing your description, be sure to use SEO-friendly keywords so your book shows up in search results. Upload your manuscript and cover, choose whether you want to publish a Kindle ebook, paperback, or hardcover, and set your pricing. Tip: consider enrolling your book in KDP Select. This gives you access to Kindle Unlimited, where readers can borrow your book and you earn royalties based on pages read. Step 6. How to get sales and market your book. Publishing your book is just the first step. Now let's get people to buy it. Amazon Ads. Run a pay-per-click PPC ad campaign targeting readers who might be interested in your book. Keep the budget small at first and track your results. Social media and influencers. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to promote your book. Share snippets of your book's contents or ideas behind it. Email list. If you have a blog or website, start building an email list. Offer free resources like a free chapter or printable to attract subscribers. Get reviews early. Consider giving away free copies to friends, family, or bloggers in exchange for honest reviews. Positive reviews are crucial for gaining momentum. Pro tip: marketing is the key to success. Without it, even the best book won't get the attention it deserves. Step 7. Realistic timeline and expectations. Let's be real. Making money with KDP is not an overnight thing. Here's a realistic timeline. First book. It could take 1-3 months to get your book out there and start making sales. Consistent sales. You can expect 3 to 6 months of continuous work, especially if you're marketing your book and optimizing your listings. Full-time income. Building a full-time income from KDP usually takes 6 to 12 months, but it is possible if you publish multiple books and market them effectively. Remember, focus on creating high-quality books that provide value and give yourself time to build momentum. Final thoughts. Is KDP worth it in 2025? Is Amazon KDP still worth it? Absolutely, but only if you approach it the right way. Focus on quality, niche down, and make books that solve real problems. Research before creating, find profitable niches and understand your competition. Marketing is essential. Without it, your book won't sell. Take your time, be patient, and remember that quality beats quantity every time. Let me know if you're planning to start your KDP journey in 2025. Drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips on creating a sustainable income with Amazon KDP. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.